everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because I finally received my package that entails a couple of new fabulous pieces of wardrobe. I couldn't wait to share them with you all. But before we dive into the unboxing, let me quickly tell you about my makeup and my hair for today. Today I went ahead and went full glam. My eyeshadow is poppin'. I went with a purple cut crease, added few gems on each side. I did try this new contour look, and it goes ahead and it goes like a round shape right here. Instead of just going straight down, you go like this. It's kind of like a Nike check on both sides, and I blended it out really well. I have on Charlotte Tilbury, the medium Pillow Talk color, and I went ahead and I added some blush as well. Well, today I went with subtle eyelashes, and I always have my eyebrows on fleek. Those are my pride and joys. And then for my hair, I went with curls. I used my wand and just wrapped my curls around, and then I did add hairspray at the end to hold my curls in. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy my look for this video because I know I had fun creating it. Let's get into the exciting part. I'm going to unbox this package and reveal the two tops that I ordered. I've been eyeing these pieces for a while, so I'm super happy that they finally arrived. I've been like tracking it. I'm like, which state is it in now? But finally arrived in Cali, right? The perfect state. Ta-da! Look at this gorgeous top. The color is absolutely stunning. This is a crop tank top in blue, and I know that this is going to be great because I can either dress it up for a more little dressier occasion or dress it down for a little more casual look. It does kind of feel and look a little like swimwear, but especially if I'm going to be wearing this like under something, it'd be okay. And here we have top number 2. This is so cute. This is a full tube top. This one is not cropped, so I'm very happy with that because I felt like, you know, the shoulders are already missing, so it would be perfect to have a full tube top. And the detailing is perfect. I love it so much because it is the ribbed style. Gives it a little extra texture for the summer especially, and this is my first tube top. And it does have the built-in pads as well. This one is definitely my favorite. It's the statement piece that I've been waiting for. I can't wait to wear these two tops and style them up. I'm already thinking of pairing the first one with either jeans or like a high-waisted shorts. It's gonna be perfect for summer. And the second one would go perfect with some blue True Religion jeans I have that are flare. That is gonna be the cutest outfit ever. By just adding these two pieces of wardrobe, I'm already excited for summer, and I know that I'm going to have a blast. It's gonna be a hot one. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and got some inspiration for your wardrobe. Let me know in the comments which top is your favorite and how you would style them. I can't wait to experiment with different outfits and different styles with these two. I feel like they're the best addition that I could have chosen, and I'm really happy with my order. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and beauty. Bye for now, and stay fly and fabulous.